My name is Roberta Souza, and I started with NECB because my employer, Rockland Trust Company, had an educational partnership. I have found the program the classes such as my financial literacy and speech communication and strategic management have contributed both to my personal development and my professional development. The professors have been just amazing. They really want you to succeed, and they're so helpful and very responsive to all of your questions and the guidance that you need. The knowledge and skills have been immediately applicable to my job at Rockland Trust, and I appreciate the professors' help in that. The online format also allowed me to have a nice balance between my family life, my work responsibilities, and being able to continue my education. It truly has been a win-win for me and for my employer. And I got promoted. My career has taken me from teller to assistant vice president, branch manager at Rockland Trust.